Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creatives with freelancing, passive income, and tech. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to get your first affiliate sale with YouTube. Making your very first affiliate marketing sale or commission is such a buzz because often it comes when you least expect it. And when all your hard work is rewarded, it validates that you are on the right path. So how do you get your first affiliate sale with YouTube? This is the burning question that I also had before I made my first sale from YouTube. And luckily for you, you don't have to dig around for the answers because I want to help and I want to share what I can. Let me tell you why YouTube and affiliate marketing go so well together. YouTube is first and foremost a huge search engine. So when a user comes onto the platform and wants an answer or a solution to their problem, they are searching for specific things, like how to crochet a dog sweater. Then all you have to do is provide that answer or a solution as a video. Your video solves their problem instantly and builds trust, and people can get to know your brand. After they've made a connection with your video, most likely they will want to know what products you've used, like the best crochet needles, what patterns do you use, and perhaps you're an affiliate through those products through Amazon or a crocheting course. And the best part is that once you've created your videos, they don't have a shelf life like Instagram stories. Your videos are searchable for as long as people are searching for an answer to that question. You can have a video that is 5 years old and people will still watch it. Just to show you how long videos can actually last for, I did find a video, how to crochet for beginners, and you can see that it has 37 million views on it, and it was posted 9 years ago. So I think this obviously was pretty good when lockdown happened and everybody was wanting to look at, how to start hobbies from inside. But you can see some other ones as well that have like 16 million views and they're 5 years old. So people are still searching for how to crochet and how to do this stuff. So that's why YouTube has such a great longevity and is so good to post on for affiliate marketing, because for as long as people are searching for those questions, your video will be that answer. That leads me on to my next reason why YouTube and affiliate marketing go so well together. Right from the start, it doesn't matter how many subscribers or followers you have. You can put links in your bio, your video description, and in your comments straight away. Which means right off the bat, it's a lot easier to help people with your affiliate products. Want to make your first affiliate sale? All it starts with is a solid video plan. Try not to overcomplicate things and just use what skills you currently have and just start creating something. Don't worry if you feel like it's not great, because practice makes perfect. And to be honest, people are there for the content. You could have the most highly produced video with all the bells and whistles, but if the content isn't useful for them, they're not going to stick around and watch it. As content is the main thing attracting people to your affiliate offers, it needs to tick these boxes. It needs to be helpful, it needs to be answering a question or solving a problem, it needs to be authentic, and it needs to be all about the viewer. Ever wondered what kind of YouTube content converts the best? Let me show you the top performing video styles that generate real results. Reviews. People trust opinions. You can share your honest thoughts on products and services and just really give your overall opinion on something. How-to guides. Teach your audience something valuable. Step-by-step tutorials always go down well. There's also this versus that content. You can compare products or services and help your viewers make informed decisions just by giving them all the information that they're going to need to make their own decision. Whatever your niche is, people are looking for help with something, and you can create any kind of content that you want on solving those problems. Just like my example that I mentioned earlier, how to crochet a dog sweater. If you have no idea what people are searching for, you can actually start typing in the YouTube search bar as if you were a viewer to get ideas. Or you can use a tool like TubeBuddy, which is a tool that can help you with keywords, video titles, and figuring out exactly what people are searching for. And I will tell you, it does actually make it a lot easier. If you're overwhelmed by content creation, try batching your videos and editing days for a smoother process. That's what I do. Like any social media platforms, it's just about practice and not giving up. After 5 videos, you'll feel more comfortable with the process. After 10 videos, you will figure out a little bit more. And after 50 videos, you will have enough stats, analytics, and information to help you mold your next moves. And all social media platforms like it if you post consistently and keep people on their platform. It helps if you plan out your scripts. It helps if you write your descriptions. It helps if you create your thumbnails and you batch your content and editing days just to make it all easier and less overwhelming. I've started to use Descript for my editing because it makes it so much faster. You can record straight from your device, then it will go into Descript, and then Descript will somehow automatically transcribe all of your video into text, which then you can edit later as text. So you can really quickly edit out mistakes, dead silences, and just about anything else simply just by editing the text. So this is Descript, and this is a video that you're watching right now, and I am currently editing it, and I'm also recording into it right now. So after I finish this recording, the video is going to go straight into here, and I put a play scene head here, which means that this content that I'm creating right now is going to go into here. But you can see this is all of the content that I have been creating for this video. And if I wanted to edit out a word or change something, I can highlight, this word affiliate, and I can delete it. So it is so much different editing this way than it is using, your timelines or anything like that, because you can visually just see the words. And you can delete whole sections if you've mucked up, which I often do. Or you can replace words. And the cool thing about this that I haven't mentioned is that because now this is all text, you can easily add captions. So you can see on the right-hand side here, there's all these different features, but if I just clicked on captions, then it would just create captions for this entire video, which means I could repurpose this video for so many different platforms in so many different ways. So I could just come to here and I've got square, portrait, advanced. So that would be like Instagram or TikTok or whatever it is that I wanted to do. So I use Descript and I just batch my days. So right now I'm doing all my editing and stuff like that and just putting in any extras. And that is basically how I use Descript. Ready to optimize YouTube for affiliate links? Let me tell you where you can put them for the best results. There are four main places where you can optimize YouTube for affiliate links. After you post a video, you have your video description, your own pinned comment. You can answer comments with affiliate links, or you can actually link to another video that you've made. And your YouTube about section, which is kind of like your bio or your YouTube bio, you can put stuff in there as well. So put all your affiliate links in all of these places so that you give your YouTube the best chance of reaching people who need your recommendations. You can either link directly to your affiliate programs with your affiliate link, or you can use a tool like system.io to create sales pages and capture email addresses. That way you can reach out to people with useful information even if they don't purchase immediately from your affiliate link. One of the things that can also happen with your affiliate links, like this is my system.io affiliate link here, and you can see that it's really, really long and really, really ugly. So when you're putting your affiliate links on YouTube, sometimes it's just nice aesthetically, but also just like for everybody else to be able to read it to make them shorter. Now you can use any tool, but I use a tool called Bitly and it's really, really easy to do so. So you can just sign up for an account and it's free. I'm going to just grab this link and I will show you exactly how it works. So I'll come over to my Bitly account and I'm just going to go create new link. And the destination is obviously the affiliate link. And you always want to make sure that you title it something that you're going to remember. So it's automatically filled that out for me, which is cool. And it's got some other settings that you can go through as well. I usually just try and keep it really simple and fast. And I just leave it how it is. And then you can also customize the back half. So this is where it becomes really cool. Sometimes with Bitly, the links will already be taken, so you need to kind of be a little bit creative, but you can type in something that will be easy to remember. So something like that. And if I go create and the link has already been taken by somebody else, that means that you can't actually use that link. So you just need to figure out something else. But just try and make it really memorable and really short. And once you get something that's really good, you'll be able to just grab the link and you'll be able to just use that in your YouTube. So it would be like bit.ly, so bit.ly, and then it'll be whatever the custom back half is. And you would probably, what I would do is go ahead and update, this, if you've got anywhere where you've recorded your links, just update it wherever you've done that just to make it show the Bitly link. You can see that I've got I'll show you my links. I've got a couple of them here. So I've got some really long ones for my other stuff, and this is sort of what I use, and it's really easy just to keep a track of everything. If you want to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, I have my course, How to Make Your First $1,000 in Affiliate Marketing as a Beginner. I take you through all the exact steps that I took to make my first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, and I still practice every single one of these steps to this day. I've put a link below, and I'll see you on the inside. If you enjoyed my content today, please like and subscribe. Leave any questions below because I answer all of my comments, and make sure to check out this video because I'm sure it's going to help you level up even further.